Most bathroom accessories come with a back plate that you mount to the wall first. Mark where you need to drill. Take a scrap bit of wood and drill a hole right through the end. Ensure your drill's hammer function is turned off. Offer your piece of wood up to the first mark and start drilling. This is going to support your drill bit, stopping it from slipping and destroying your tiles in the process. Just get your hole started, then you can sling the piece of wood and get both hands on the drill. I'm using a 6mm drill bit, so that means red plugs. The screws they supply with these bits and bobs are usually really soft and terrible, so I usually sling them and I'll use my own. These ones are 40mm turbo gold. This just slips over the back plate, then you tighten the grub screw, jobs are good.